Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style, where we celebrate life, being in your 50s, luxury, and everything else. Today I've got a small unboxing for you. I want to share this before I run out of the house. I have nothing on my eyes because I am going to pass by Nordstrom's and I want them to give me some recommendations for some primers. So I've decided nothing on there, and I've got really light makeup, but actually this that you see right here is the Guerlain Meteorites. I am loving that for my blush. Anyhow, let's not get sidetracked and let's get to what we're here for. I'm going to share with you two purchases. One is a Tory Burch and the other is a small Louis Vuitton. So let's go ahead and start with Tory Burch. And it came in a regular box. It had this right here, which is a envelope, and it has the receipt inside. And I really love their attention to detail. Everything comes wrapped in this orange shiny paper, and then it has a little card right on there. And it just says, thank you. We hope you found exactly what you were looking for and that you love it. And I love all those details. Okay, so what I received is a pair of shoes. And I got these on sale. They had, I think it was a 20%, depending on how much you spent. It was 20% off, 25% off, or 30% off. I only purchased these, so I think it was 20% off, but I thought these would be super nice for spring and summer, depending on where you live. I'm in South Florida, so I can wear them already. Let me just show you. Inside, they come with one dust bag and a lot of tissue. And they're, again, wrapped wonderfully. And I'm gonna go ahead and kind of unwrap everything so I don't waste your time. I will try and fast forward this. But here is the shoe. They are these beautiful mules. Let me get the other one out. If you're like me, but I love these details. So it's wrapped in a plastic bag, and then it's got this other plastic right here with the Tory Burch emblem. And then you have your mule, and it's beautifully stuffed with tissue paper. These absolutely gorgeous mules are the Tory Burch Gram 65mm mules, and the color is called the webbing stripe. And as you can see, they have pink and black and white and a light blue color and a kind of like an orangey, burnt orange color, and they are so beautiful. It's got a 65mm heel, block heel, and this should be very, very comfortable, and it just has the Tory Burch logo right here in gold. Other than that, it is just the mule, and it's all in this beautiful striped gross grain fabric. I think they're just beautiful, and you will be able to get a lot of use out of this. Now, for those of you that work in business casual environments, you'll be able to use this. You could very well wear a pair of black slacks, and let's say you have a cream blouse, or you have a pink blouse, or a burnt orange, and you put this on, and right away you're gonna have some interest. So these are really, really beautiful. I'm very excited to have gotten them. And oh, let me just take this out so you can see them a little better. But this is what they look like. And here they are. I'm very excited to have added them to my wardrobe, and I cannot wait to use them. The next thing is from Louis Vuitton, and it's in this smaller bag. And here's my receipt. They have transferred over to the new receipt, and pretty much inside it just looks like your regular retail store receipt. No more of the long receipts for those stores that have transitioned to the new system. And inside we have this, and we have this, which is a huge box for what's in there. So let's go ahead and start with this adorable little cutie that's here. And I saw this on Instagram, or I saw it on the website. I don't know where I saw it, but I right away called and said, hold it for me, because I love it. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. And you've got the little drawer box. Inside you have an adorable little drawstring bag to reveal the super adorable Louis Vuitton Daily Confidential bracelet. And this is so adorable. It is pink on one side, and it's got the damier azur print on the other. They come in two colors. You can get this in this pink, or you can get it in yellow with the damier azur. I, of course, had to get the pink one. And then it's got the gold closure at the front, or at the top. Put on these reading glasses, because if not, I'm not going to be able to show you anything. It has a beautiful detail at the bottom of the bracelet. As you can see, it's got the Louis Vuitton flower right there in gold. And then the top part here has the LV and some of the LVs. It's got LVs on there and some of the LV flowers, and I'm not sure if you can see that or not right there. Now, the way you open this, let's see if I can do it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love this. Okay, so it has a little, like a little thing right here that you press, and it opens up just like that. I haven't taken the plastic off of here because I'm opening with you for the first time since I purchased it. But let's go ahead and take it off right here, because you know this is not going back. I love these. So this is what it looks like open, and it just closes back up like that. Now let's see how easy it is to get it on here. Hopefully it's not too difficult. Let's see. And sorry, I don't know if I can show this while I'm trying to get it on here. Let me try and stand up. So basically, I'm just trying to press it together. I am assuming that's how you put it on.
I'm not even sure. Oh, yeah. And yes, you're supposed to just press, and it's supposed to go on. It's not that easy. Well.
Okay, guys, I finally got it on. I'm going to give you the good news and the bad news. The good news is that this mechanism is really, really good in the sense that it's probably not going to fall off, and it's a beautiful piece. The bad news is it's a very, very difficult to get this on your wrist if you are alone. So I was able to close it by myself, but it took me a good 5 minutes. Now, maybe you're a lot more coordinated than I am, and maybe it's not going to take you as long. The way it goes on is you have to basically take both sides and just put pressure, and it'll eventually click. And I don't have the strength, I guess, to do it by myself. I couldn't do it. So the only way that I could do it was kind of laying my wrist on the table and then taking the one side and pushing it in there. I am going to keep it. I absolutely love it. And it is in the beautiful damier azur combination with the pink, which I absolutely love. So I will be keeping it, no questions, but it is difficult to put on your own. I have no intentions of taking it back. So there it is, gorgeous. And they have it in the two sizes, size 17 and size 19. This is the size 17. So this is the first piece that I picked up at Louis Vuitton on Wednesday. So the second piece is in this box, and the item is not this big. If you want to take any guesses, it would be great if you would just leave your comments down below. It is not a purse, and it is not a small leather good. So what do you think it is? It is from the new Giant Monogram collection. So that's your hint. Let me know down below what your guesses are. And here we go. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And this was just a last minute whim that I decided to pick it up. They've wrapped it in some beautiful tissue paper. It's got the Louis Vuitton sticker in the front. And let me go ahead and, oh, wow, how nice. They've given me a very nice dust bag. Actually, it is a huge dust bag, but it's a gorgeous dust bag. I love it. It's got the drawstring at the top, so I'm not going to complain. And to reveal the Louis Vuitton Giant Notebook MM. This one, which they call pink. However, I see it as a lavender, but it is called pink. And it has the lavender or deep lavender and a bright yellow in the front, and then the back has orange and light pink right here, and then the same pattern continues almost to the middle of the notebook. It's got this beautiful little elastic here in the lavender color, and then if you open it up, it just has the regular notebook paper inside. It's got beautiful gold etching on the outside here of the paper. And this also came in two colors. What's the other color? Oh, it came in this color, and it came in the khaki color also, which I think is khaki and white. This is the lovely, lovely purpley pink one, and I love it. So this, I find they're really, really useful, and they also make beautiful gifts. That's it, my friends. That is my quick unboxing of my super gorgeous Tory Burch mules and my LV small items that I picked up. I am on my way back to Louis Vuitton today because I am getting something else. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll let you know what I got. Have a great day. Bye.